What if the single most powerful health habit was also the one you brag about skipping? Every night we treat sleep like a luxury, yet every study screams it's as vital as oxygen. 7 to 9 hours isn't a suggestion. It's the minimum contract your brain signs for repair. Miss that window, and measurable damage begins, yet you feel perfectly fine. Imagine a drunk driver waving car keys, swearing they're sober. Sleep deprivation is the same invisible arrogance. Subjectively, you feel sharp. Objectively, your reaction time, memory, and mood crumble. Large-scale studies are unforgiving. Shorter sleep equals shorter life. We stretched lifespan with medicine, yet forgot to stretch health span, years spent sick. Sleep is the missing insurance policy, preventing disease before the first symptom appears. Picture a Swiss Army knife. Every blade is a system sleep tunes overnight. Immunity, metabolism, memory. Alzheimer's plaques, cancerous mutations, diabetic insulin resistance, all accelerate when sleep is short. Evolution should have erased sleep. We lay defenseless for hours, unless sleep offered something irreplaceable. Wakefulness is low-level brain damage. Sleep is the nightly power wash clearing the debris. Society floods us with light. Edison conquered night, and unknowingly stole our melatonin. Your core temperature must drop about 1 degree Celsius to open the gates to deep sleep. Yet we crank thermostats high, cuddle electric blankets, and wonder why rest flees. We ridicule adequate rest as laziness, while praising the hustle that quietly shaves years away. No one calls a napping infant lazy, because we accept growth demands sleep. Why does that truth expire at 20? Bragging about 4-hour nights is cultural amnesia, forgetting that brains aren't built for constant output. Tonight, trade one more episode for one more hour of the cheapest life extension drug on Earth.